la 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 da. I'm going nowhere. Okay. Hi guys, what's up? Yes, the camera is really shaky. I'm sorry about that. And shut up, train. I said shut up. All right. Nothing's really going on that's new, guys. Just the same old trees, same old hose, same old windows, same old door, same old car. Yeah. I just wanted to update you guys on my life so far. I just went to Universal. I just got back yesterday, and it was a huge location and place, and it was really, really fun. I went to Universal, and yeah, I just had a whole bunch of fun. I went to the Universal theme park, Islands of Adventure, and if you guys haven't heard, the new water park, they just opened. It's called Volcano Bay, and that was my last theme park to go to. And yeah, that was really, really fun. I'm getting my dogs back today because they went to the vet, so we can go to Universal. Right now I'm at my dad's shop, as you guys can see. And yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know about my life and what has been done in it so far and on this summer vacation journey. And yeah, I have just got a new puppy too. The next video I do, yes, I just got done painting my hands. My hands are very, very dirty. I just got a new puppy. She is now like 15 weeks old. I don't know how old she is now, but I just got her a few weeks ago, and she was very expensive to get, and yeah. So I'm basically, well, the next video I do today is I'm gonna show my new puppy and my dog, and yeah, I'll basically inform you more there. Oh look, we got a pretty bird. Focus camera. Focus. Look at it, it's so pretty. But yeah, besides that, I'm just gonna basically stay out here. Yeah. When I start the next video for today, I will be in the car ready to go to pick up my dogs and go to the vet. And yeah, and then I'll mess around with them, say their names, and yeah. I do want to give out like 3 shout outs. So I want to give a shout out to Dan TDM. He is the one that introduced me to the fidget spinner, and I'm now getting one the 1st of June, and I think it has been a great success. Let's try to get him to newest video he does, try to get it to 2,000 likes or views. You guys decide. Leave it down in the comments below, and then in the next video for today, hopefully you guys will choose, or other besides that. You know what? Let's go for likes. Thumbs up for him. Thumbs up, Dan TM. And then Dingmat Smith, go ahead and check his channel out. He is awesome. He makes me laugh no matter what. I have watched his bottle flip reaction video, and it's very, very funny. And yeah, go ahead and check his. Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. Oh, look, it's a butterfly. Oh, it's a butterfly. Wait, is that a Martin? Oh, and there's a bird. Oh, all right. And yeah, that's the only ones I can remember right now. Oh, it was. Now, Cookies Rosie, my friend Leora and me had a great time watching her. I have subscribed to her, get her post notifications, and subscribe to her. Her channel's very, very good. And his family approved. It's family approved. And yeah, look at a little plant. It's a little plant. So yeah, those are the three shout-outs I wanted to give. And yeah, definitely go and check out Dan TDM's and Dingmat Smith's channels, because they are super good, and so do the same with Cookies Rosie. Let's go for the biggest. Let's go for the biggest amount of likes we ever went through. One like. If it gets more likes, it's gonna be a dream for me, because I'm still a beginner at YouTube, and I'm very, very busy. I don't post as many videos as normal YouTubers, because I hardly ever get a break, guys. Seriously. I watch a whole bunch of other YouTubers in my spare time. I just never get to post videos because I'm always doing homework and all that stuff. And yeah, I'm still a kid. I'm not even 10. So yeah, there's basically my upgrade in my life. Yeah. And let's try to go for 2 views on this video. 2 views. More views, awesome. Awesome. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm still a beginner at YouTube, and yeah, I'm basically just gonna walk around here for a little bit, and yeah. Alright guys, well, I'll see you in the next video I do today, which you're gonna see my new puppy and my dog. I think I reviewed my dog already, I don't know. But yeah, my new puppy is a black-mouthed cur. Black-mouthed cur, black-mouthed cur. Alright, I only have like 1 more minute of this video, so yeah, like I said, 2 views, 1 like, dream come true. Yeah. See you guys in the next video. Bye.